Imagine you're standing in a parking lot full of shiny new cars, but you're not here for the looks, the tech, or the horsepower. You're here for one thing: peace of mind. Today we're talking about the most reliable cars you can buy in North America in 2026, the ones that won't leave you stranded, won't drain your wallet with surprise repairs, and will still be running strong when your friends are trading in theirs. Reliability isn't flashy, but silently dependable is a superpower in the world of cars. And 2026 is a year where smart choices matter more than ever. At the top of the reliability leaderboard sits a name you already know: Toyota. Toyota just reclaimed the crown as the most dependable brand in Consumer Reports' 2026 Reliability Survey, with more consistent quality, fewer visits to the repair shop, and strong owner satisfaction across its lineup. Toyota has earned its reputation over decades by building cars that simply work, year after year, mile after mile. That means models like the Corolla, Camry, and the hybrid Highlander aren't just popular, they're proven. Cars.com. Right alongside Toyota, Subaru and Lexus are shining bright this year too. Subaru's rugged all-wheel drive vehicles like the Impreza and Crosstrek earn top marks in predicted reliability, which tells you they're designed to hold up under real-life daily use. Lexus, Toyota's luxury sibling, blends high-end comfort with durability, giving you a premium experience without the premium headache. Guide AutoWeb. But reliability is more than brand names. It's about specific models that consistently outperform the rest. According to the most recent data from consumer surveys, a handful of cars rise above the crowd. The Subaru Impreza tops many lists for predicted reliability, closely followed by Toyota staples like the Corolla Cross and Corolla itself. The Toyota Crown and Toyota Tacoma also score strong, proving that reliability spans sedans, crossovers, and even trucks in 2026. If you want something practical and efficient, the Honda Accord remains a staple choice. It blends reliability with comfort, excellent fuel economy, and a rich feature set. It keeps drivers happy year after year one. Reason it continues to show up in both expert tests and everyday owner recommendations. Outside of Toyota and Subaru, other dependable picks come from Honda and even some Lexus SUVs, giving you options whether you want compact efficiency or family-friendly utility. Guide AutoWeb. It's also worth noting that 2026 reliability isn't just about gas engines anymore. Hybrids are outperforming expectations. Consumer Reports found that hybrid models on average have fewer problems than their gas-only counterparts, making them a sweet spot for long-term ownership without sacrificing fuel savings or reliability. Consumer Reports. You might be surprised to hear that EV reliability is still a mixed bag. Electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids tend to have more issues overall, mostly due to battery, charging, and electronics complexity, but there are bright spots. Tesla's Model Y stands out as one of the most reliable EVs today, showing that electric cars can be dependable when engineered thoughtfully. Folks, so here's the bottom line. When reliability is your top priority in 2026, go with the brands and models that have earned their stripes over decades. Toyota and Subaru are your anchors of dependability. Lexus brings refined durability, and trusted choices from Honda and hybrid models give you reliable, fuel-saving options. These are the vehicles that will start on a cold morning, stop at red lights without drama, and still be worth something when you're ready to upgrade. Because the most reliable car isn't just a vehicle, it's the machine that never lets you down. Choose wisely, and every mile will feel like a quiet triumph.